Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the book structure and collecting tools so you can act without interruption. Look for detached signatures, split spine or torn-in papers, and mark problem areas with paper tabs. Once done, set up a clean, flat workspace and lay out PVA glue, a bone folder, archival tape, needles, thread, and weights. You need these specific supplies because strong but flexible adhesion preserves page movement. Having them ready saves time and prevents rushed, damaging fixes. You now reattach pages and rebuild the spine so the book functions like new. Start by sewing loose signatures into the text block using a consistent stitch. This restores alignment and distributes stress. Then apply a thin coat of PVA along the spine and press Japanese tissue or a cloth lining into place to add strength. This prevents future splitting. Once applied, use a bone folder to flatten joints and clamp the book under weights until the adhesive sets, which ensures even bonding and correct shape. You finish by reconnecting covers and tidying finishes so the book both looks and works well. Glue the boards to the reinforced spine edge or recreate hinges with cloth or Japanese tissue, making sure joins are flush. This restores opening action and protects the text block. Trim any excess adhesive, mend torn-in papers with thin archival tape, and press the whole book under weight. Once cured for about 24 hours, gently test the opening. If pages stick or binding creaks, recheck glue lines and add a thin spine lining as a troubleshooting fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.